Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Jeep Compass Trailhawk 4-wheel drive, stock number E23098. 58,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report, laser blue in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Compass seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Compass is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick with backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Trailhawk has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. And dual zone automatic temperature control. That is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 4-wheel drive, including 4-low. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, power moonroof and sunshade control. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Compass, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.